Hi peeps and welcome back to Crach. Today we're gonna look how you can change the lens of your Game Boy Color in a simple few steps with this and a little bit of Crach. I would say let's go. First glance you're like, okay, he has been used, it's not too bad. This could be one that I can sell, but if you hold the light correctly, like right here, you can see that the screen is definitely not in a really bad shape. Like, this is unacceptable. But the good news is that this is not actually the real screen. This is the lens. So this is gonna be the thing that is easy to replace. And today I'm gonna show you how to do this. There are different ways how you can do this. You can like use one of these things that you can like scoop up the glass. I wouldn't really recommend that. Why? Because the thing is that the lens is actually a really hard kind of plastic. The problem with that is that the lens is harder than the plastic of the Game Boy itself. Which means if you lose some power and you start to fiddle around with it, you're probably gonna create something that you can see that a previous owner actually did, and you're gonna create some damage on the side of your Game Boy itself. So we prefer to avoid doing that. But if you don't have the things that I have right here, like for example a suction cup with like a little ring that you can do around your finger, so what you can do is like put the suction cup on the glass and then try to pull it off. It doesn't always work depending on how strong the glue is that is underneath this screen that we're gonna see in a few moments. Another thing that I like to use is something like this. Why? Because it's metallic, it's really thin, and it has like a bend. That way what you can actually do is like go right here in the corner and try to peel off the screen like that. Alright? So those are the three ways how I do this most of the time. We're gonna start with the suction cup. What we do is we need suction cup that is like quite big, not too big. Of course it has to be smaller than the screen. And we press it close to a corner, and then we're gonna try to peel it off like this. This is a screen that I've already removed beforehand to try it out, to test it. Of course it's way easier right now. Glue has already dried out. This is gonna be really harder if you have like a very old screen that has never been changed. It's gonna take a few tries before you can do this, but don't be afraid. This can, we don't care about this one. It can be broken because this is definitely not gonna be used ever again. Like, this is horrible looking. But then right here we do have the real screen. Very important, keep this one clean. Do not touch this thing. The best way how you can clean this, what I like to do is take some tape, cut it. Like normal tape, nothing too fancy, nothing too weird. Put it around your finger like this. You can do it like this. Make sure that it's a good tape, that it's nothing that is gonna glue on the screen. But this is a safe way how you can actually clean your screen without doing anything too weird. And then right here you can see all the dirt, nasty bits are on the tape and are off your screen. Then we got one of the fresh Game Boy Color lenses that we're gonna put on there. If you don't know where to buy these, I do also sell those myself at Crach Card Club, so you can always contact me. I can send these to you. And we're gonna peel off. Right, now we're gonna peel off the protection. Go. So we have the glue part here. I'm gonna be careful to place it correctly inside. Go. Press it gently inside of your Game Boy Color. There. Up. And here we go. A perfectly fine Game Boy Color. Look at the difference of the screen starting from the start, looking at the one now. It's insane. It's insane. Such a difference. for just a little bit of work. Like, look how nasty this one was. Jesus. This was a nasty looking screen. I'm glad that we're rid of this one. And now we have a perfectly working Game Boy Color. So here we go, peeps. Here we got our freshly new changed lens for the Game Boy Color. So this is definitely gonna elevate the value of this fancy console. I definitely hope that you guys did enjoy the video. Definitely let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this, and if you wanna follow me, the best way to do that is by clicking that like and subscribe button down below the video. Also, I do sell this Game Boy and many other games and consoles and even card games that you can find at the link right here, the Instagram or the Facebook group of Crach Card Club. And I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And do not forget, I'm Crach and I'm out. Bye bye.